Just to kick things off, maybe I'll start with you, Mushtaq.
Sure.
I guess from your standpoint, why has there been this kind of interest in, this growing kind of green bond issuance in Asia?
Well, thank you very much, Daryl. We cover the region in Asia, but also as an institution, ICMA, we serve as a secretariat for the International Green Bond Principles. So follow it both at the international level and in Asia. I see two different factors actually driving the growth of green bonds in Asia. One is the general growth of green bonds internationally. And while green bonds have been around for several years, over the last 2 or 3 years, we've seen very significant growth in the international green bond issuance. This has been driven by mainly by investors and by interest from the issuers as well, who are looking to finance more infrastructure and green investments across the world. So, as with many trends in the capital markets, we are seeing innovation and growth in Europe and the United States coming over to Asia and influencing the Asian markets in the natural way that it does in the international markets. So this is more coming from the bottom-up approach. However, in Asia, we're also seeing a lot of attention paid to the environment generally as a policy matter. So one interesting trend that I've noticed, or generalization I could say, is that in Europe and the US, most of the development of the green bond market has been from the bottom up, from the market itself. Whereas what you're seeing in Asia now is really more of a top-down approach. China is extremely concerned about the health of its people and the environment. Same with India, Singapore, Indonesia, etc. So particularly in China, and to a lesser extent in other jurisdictions like Asia, we're seeing the regulators actually focusing on saving the environment, improving the atmosphere, and reducing the effects of climate change. That is then filtering down to the regulators of the financial industry, and then that is filtering down to the markets itself. And so we're seeing both of these trends, the top-down approach as well as the international bottom-up approach, driving the growth of green bonds in Asia.